Practice pa lang po ito, ha. Wala pang pumapalakpak kasi ano pa lang nila, rehearsals. Practice pa lang po. Actually, marami pa ito silang ano yun, kasi may senior pa eh. Junior category pa lang po ito. So, lalaki pa yan sila. They will mature and they will perfect the craft. Yes, yung kanilang artistic gymnastics. Oo, mga bata pa to eh. Mga siguro 13, 14 years old lang. Oh, wow, galing. Balance lang. Talagang practice makes perfect. Kaya naman, oo, pag nakita natin si Kaloy, grabe yung kanyang concentration, focus, no? Kaya siya nagkaroon ng gold, maraming gold. Pero later on, parang give up niya na eh. Oo, in favor of his companions. Para iba naman yung maging champion, 'di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng ikaw at ikaw lang lagi. Para sa kanya siguro ganun, no? Pero yun, yung brother niya, si Carl Eldrew, ay kahapon ko lang nalaman, meron din pala ang mga gold na napanalunan. Grabe. Alala ko, nanalo si Nacho Comaneci. Grabe. Ay, perfect. Lagi perfect landing. Oo, ha? Kasi yun siya. Siya yung naging champion, no? Year na yun. Yes, minsan lang to eh. In gymnastics, MAG stands for Men's Artistic Gymnastics and WAG stands for Women's Artistic Gymnastics. These are the two branches of artistic gymnastics, which differ in the apparatuses used and the specific techniques required for competition. In MAG, or Men's Artistic Gymnastics, athletes compete on 6 apparatuses: floor, pommel horse, steel rings, vault, parallel bars, and horizontal bar. In women's artistic gymnastics, athletes compete on floor apparatuses, vault, uneven bars, balance beam, and floor. Mahirap kaya mag-balance. No? The inaugural edition of Artistic Gymnastics was held in Győr, Hungary in June 2019. Subsequent championships are then to be held annually in odd-numbered years from 2021 onward. That's why this year is 2025 and we're having it here. So actually, we've been celebrating this only for 3 years. New design. Ito yung mga pwede nilang isuot. Oh, yan. That's how much? 4,000? Okay. Ganyan pala, oh. Hector, ang kanyang brand. Hector, made in Japan. Okay.
Yes.
Is this the price? Ito po, 4,200. Okay. 4,280. Ito rin. Ayan din. Ito, 5,050, right?
Yes.
Wow, nice.
The price is only for this event.
Okay.
It will be higher.
Oh, really? Higher shop if
Yes,
this
because-
event is over.
Yes.
Special price pala
Special
yan.
price.
That's good.
Kasi, tinanggal namin yung mga
Bakit
taxes.
Tinanggal niyo po ang mga...
Yung mga taxes.
Ah, yes. So, non-tax po ito?
Oo.
That's good to know.
Not-
So,
ano,
dapat po, how
yung
much
kasi-
is the price?
Actually, kasi dapat meron pa siyang yung ang nilalagay lang namin yung VAT.
Oo.
But yung anong tawag ito? Other taxes tinanggal namin.
Tinanggal na. Bat lang ang natira.
Bat lang.
Opo. Ay, very nice. Ito po si Okamura, Mana. Winner na po siya, no?
Yes, yes.
O, di ba? Last year po, sa junior division. Ayan, yun din po ay Japanese.
Yes.
Okay, panalo pa rin sila.
Sila.
Because of the money din po, no? Thank you. Hi, hello. Wow, nice, oh. Okay, ay Hector din ito. That's 550. 550 yung mga parang ano. Ayan po. Ay, grabe. Oh, may shorts din sa loob. But mostly, naka-ano lang sila talaga. One piece. Naka one piece lang. Oh, meron dito. Meron dito. Mga, yes. Wow, how nice. Ayan, oh. Good morning. How much is one like this? Asking nga si Lila. Lila, the blue one is bughaw.
150.
1,150. The smallest is how much?
580.
580. Yan po ang mga prices sa Artistic Gymnastics Philippines. Yan, thank you. Ayan, oh, this is the store. And you can buy this. Ref magnets po ito, no? These are ref magnets. So cute. There you go. No, nice. It's okay. How much is a ref magnet?
Ref magnet,
Opo.
450.
450 each. Lahat sila.
Yes.
Any design. Oh, 450. That's good price. Okay na po yan. That's ref magnet. Eh. Once in a, I don't know if it's once in a lifetime ito sa atin. That it's the first time in the Philippines, right? Uy, grabe. Congratulations, ha. Kung hindi pa tayo nagkaroon ng Carlos, ano, no? O, sticky notepad. Ito po yung ball pen. How much is one? 99 pesos. That's good price. And ito naman po, to 280. 280 you mean. Ito 99. Oh, mas gusto ko yung 99, syempre. Oh, I'll get the blue one. Sige po, I'll buy. Isa lang po. That's a ball pen, right? Oo. Dalawa na dalawa. Oo, magagalit yung baby ko. Oo, blue at saka isang gano'n na lang. Sige. Okay, thank Thank you. Para hindi kami mag-exchange. Baka, ayan. Okay, thank you. O, nakabili din. Salamat po. Okay, ayan, ball pen. Very good, ano na yan siya. For this occasion and event. Remembrance. Alright, wow, ang cute na ang lalagyan. At ayan na po, good. Thank you. Wow, salamat po.
Change, ma'am, 800.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ayan po. Yes, ayan. The pin and the ref magnet. Ayan po, bibili natin. Yay! Salamat. Ito po, how much is?
830.
830. So, I will give 30 more. Nakakabudo, no? Magkano po ito?
500
500 pesos. Para mapapabili pa tayo. Dito.
Bili ka ba manood?
Oo, manunood ako, ha?
Yan.
Oh, wow! Nakakabudol din daw yung kanilang tumbler. Magkano po iyan? Talaga naman, mga events like this are for business, no?
Yes.
Magkano po? 1,730. Ayan. Hala, oo. Paano siya nagmamagnet? Show me.
Gaganyan niya lang, ma'am.
Dito. Opo. Sa iPhone lang.
Pero perfect yan, ma'am.
Oh, perfect yung sa akin. Kasi
Yeah.
didikit din po. Padikit po.
Yes.
Di tanggalin pala yung case. Okay na.
May binibigay pong magnet.
Guys, so, kita niyo, Belmont yan. Nasa itaas tayo. Ayan o, St. Teres. Hello, hello. St. Teres. At yun po ang dome sa kabila. Ayan o, yan. Oo, dito nila makikita yung angle na to. Ayan. Sige, let's continue. Okay. Nandyan po yung kanilang mga for sale. And nice view. Ang CR. Ayan. Guys, CR muna tayo. Wow! Pati ito. Meron pa, may nakalagay. Oh, grabe pala itong CR lang nila yan eh. CR lang nila yan eh, Marriott. Okay, so mag-celebrate naman tayo. 26th anniversary namin ni Sir Cloud bukas. 20. Ayan, dito tayo. Let's take coffee. Merienda na po tayo. Anyway, nakakain na tayo. Barilla o Barilla for professionals. Diba? Ano po ito? Ganyan, no added preservatives. How much is one? I don't know. Wasa and French herbs. Okay, let's take coffee. Andito na. Kita ka na ba ng Summit na nakabote? Pero 190 siya. 190. How about yung Evian?
200 something.
200 plus! Talaga. Thank you. Eto, siguro ito na lang bibilhin ko. I'll eat one bacon pizza bread.
One bacon pizza?
Yes, please. And how much is coffee?
Ito po yung mga prices sa menu.
There! Andun pala sa taas. Bukas, mas mura siya kasi the event will start tomorrow. Ngayon, medyo yung regular rate nila. Wow, ang cafe americano niya is 220. Cappuccino is 240. Normally, I take cappuccino No discount for senior? Meron syempre.
naman po.
Yeah, meron akong discount. So, cappuccino please. And one.
May I know the size po of your cappuccino?
O, diba, Papa? 26th anniversary natin. So, I'm celebrating it here. Wala ka man. I know you're by my side. So, pizza lang yan. And, of course, yung cappuccino. Okay, my favorite coffee is cappuccino. Ayan po. Wow, meron pa tayong table napkin.